Should buy this game on PC. Can y'all kill random people? Oh shit! Yo, what the fuck? Bro.